Hi and what's up? In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how I prepare njahi at home. Njahi is commonly found in Kenya and it's a good source of protein. So if you have njahi, stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how I make my njahi at home. So I'm going to be using several ingredients. I have carrot, onion, garlic, coriander, a few spices, finely diced tomatoes, tomato paste, cooking oil, and a bowl, around 2 cups of njahi. So I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to place a pan, add cooking oil. When the oil is hot, I'm going to add in onions. Then I'm going to saute my onions until soft. Once my onion is browning, I'm going to add in garlic. Stir in, and then I'm going to cook until the garlic is flavorful. Once my garlic is browning, I'm going to add in carrots. Stir in the carrot and let the carrot cook for about 1 minute. When my carrot is cooking, I'm going to add in curry powder, garam masala, and garlic powder. Stir in. I'm adding my spices at this point because I want everything to be so flavorful. So next I'm going to add in 2 large tomatoes that are diced. Stir in. Next I'm going to add in my tomato paste. This is half a tablespoon of tomato paste, and you'll find everything listed in the description box down below. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to low. Let the tomatoes cook until mushy. If you're watching the recipe and you don't love black beans, please try out this recipe because it's going to be very flavorful and the taste is going to be so good. So adding the spices is going to bump up the black beans and they are going to soak in the deliciousness and they will be super good. Trust me, you will love this. So this is how my tomatoes are looking. So next I'll be adding my cooks. These are already boiled, pre-boiled njahi or black beans. So I'm going to add these beans in my pan, stir in until everything is combined. This already looks so good. So now once everything is combined, I'm going to add in water. Stir in. To season my black beans, I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube and 1 beef stock cube. Then I'm going to cook this until the water has reduced and the beans have soaked up the goodness. While my njahi or black beans are cooking, I'm going to be preparing my rice. So I've placed a pan on another stove top. I'm going to add some cooking oil. Then I'm going to add in spring onions, the white part of the spring onions. Stir in the green onions, and I love how green onions add a lot of flavor. So I'm going to cook until my onions are soft. I'm going to add in some fennel seeds. These are the fennel seeds. And then next I'm going to add in cumin seeds. This is going to add a lot of flavor to our rice. Let the spices cook together with the onions. Once brown, I'm going to add in my rice. break the rice so that it can cook together with the spices. Stir in the rice. Add in a little bit of salt, then let the rice cook together with the spices for around 2 to 3 minutes. Check on my black beans. This is how they're looking. They're nice and creamy. So my beans are ready. I'm going to turn off the heat. Check on my rice, and this is how it's looking. Garnish my black beans with some coriander. Stir in the coriander. Yum. My black beans curry or Njahi curry is ready, and I've paired mine with rice, and it's so good because it is well cooked, well seasoned, and everything is just perfect. So if you want your Njahi to be delicious, follow the recipe and create this amazing dish that you're surely going to enjoy and make for your family, and everyone will be happy. So if you enjoyed watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up and try and create this amazing dish at home. Catch you on my next one. Bye.